Hello, I was going over in this post on how to remove glitter nail polish. You know, a lot of lines have came out with glitter polishes, and if you've ever tried to remove them, it's super hard. So I explained in the first few pictures that all you're going to need is some cotton balls, some cut aluminum foil just big enough for your finger, and any old regular nail polish remover. You just douse one of these cotton balls with the nail polish remover, you put it on your nail, and then you put a piece of tin foil over that. Now you let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then you simply press down and pull up, and look at that. Let's go through them all. Look at that. Look at that glitter come off. Now, that's amazing, is it not? Now, let me just show you. Let's see. You can see inside where the glitter has just came off your nail and onto the cotton ball. Let me show you this. I'll wet this cotton ball even more. And then let me show you trying to take it off. See, I'm going over and over and over and over, and it's not taking it off. It's a real pain. So this foil method works really well. The foil reacts with the nail polish, and it takes the polish off. You only need to leave it sit on your nails for like 5 minutes. It's super fast. I decided to go on and video some of this because I was having trouble taking pictures with one hand, and when I had to press and pull, I couldn't really figure out a way to take that picture unless I put it on delay. So I just decided to make a video. Now I just take this, something on my nail right there. I just take any wet polish and any wet cotton balls and go right over the nails just to make sure I got every little piece of glitter off, and there you go. A very quick way to taking glitter off your fingernails. Have a great day. Bye-bye.